guys, today I'm going to be playing with this slime that I made. This is my purple one. This is my newest one. And this one's really fun. It feels so fluffy. It smells like shaving cream. I love the smell of shaving cream. I don't know why. It just smells so good. Yes, I'm in my pajamas right now. It is not morning. I'm wearing these for about... Hold on, I need to count in my head. I wasn't counting. For 4 days. 4 days. So yeah. And I am waiting, to see what video we should do next. So comment down on the video and say some ideas, because we don't have that many, but we will have some if you guys commented. I don't know if our comments are on or not, but I think they're not on, but we'll turn them on so you guys can tell us some ideas. So this is it. It looks more purple in the phone, but it's not. It's like lavender. Like, no, not lavender, but violet. It looks like violet. Because it's not purple, it's violet. I don't know why there isn't a purple. Food coloring. Yes, I use food coloring for this. Okay, I have more, so I'm gonna check those out. Hold on. Still got a little piece on my hand. It's kind of sticky, but not too sticky because it's really soft. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, right here's my blue one. Still smells like shaving cream. This one's a bit smaller than my other one, but I think it looks really cool. It smells so good. This is like baby blue or like sky blue, but in the screen it looks a little bit darker. So I don't know why. And
how you guys doing?
We're making the video. Do you want to say hi?
Sure. Hi.
You have to look at the screen. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is the other one. No, this isn't butter. It's slime. See? Slime. You see, guys? This one I use the most shaving cream. And it's the biggest one because I used more shaving cream on this one than the other ones. It's kind of getting kind of dry, but that's because it's lived longer than its two siblings. I almost said it's two brothers, even though this one is probably a sister. My nose is kind of stuffy, and it's kind of late. The sun's just setting. And my dad has to play on my tablet because his bed is too small. And those were all my slimes. So I'm going to mix a little bit all together and see what color it makes. I don't know what color it should make because I didn't really mix these 3 colors together yet. But I am going to do it now. There. Now get in the box. Get in the box. Just go ahead and start mixing. Yeah. Now,
Going down there, Sam.
My dad was just talking to my brother. Not me. Because I'm not a boy. Dad, can you help? This slime keeps sticking to my hand.
What can I do to help?
Just pull the slime off. Never mind. Ooh, it's all over my hands. Yeah, I'm just mixing it. I should have did that at the start. Just mix it. My colors are all mixing together. They're getting all over my hand. This is looking pretty nice. Like it's like this lavender color. It's kind of lavender. I can't really tell where the pink is going, but I think it's going somewhere. And a little bit more pink. I think that's looking pretty nice. See, you can see a little bit pink right here. Gonna get a little bit more purple. Actually, you know what? I think it's good on purple. Dad, what are you doing on my tablet?
Anything I was doing last time?
Oh, he's playing 99 Nights on my tablet.
Yeah, that's why I say you need to stay off of it because it is going to break. It's not going to make it very long.
And that's all the time I have today. I'll see you guys tomorrow probably, or maybe on Wednesday because today is Monday. It's almost Tuesday because the sun's setting. And bye guys, I'll see you guys later. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And make sure you comment those ideas for the videos. I think I just said it backwards, but that's fine. And I think we're almost ready to end the video. And the final color looks really pretty. It kind of looks like gray, but it isn't. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, Dad, say bye to the fans.
Bye, fans.
Sam, say bye to the fans. Say bye to them. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.